All right, well, good job.
Remember last time they were chasing us all up the hill and
Because everybody stayed calm.
yeah.
You frantic, they sense that because you let off a pheromone. So, hey, you got to be calm when you're dealing with your bees because they ain't stupid. They'll sting you in. So, we got some chill bees this year.
Staying calm.
Take a picture of the hive.
I got a video. I can take a snapshot.
Pure wax, honeycomb wax.
What you gonna do with it?
I'm going to use this
Let me see that one.
cap off my mushrooms that I'm going to be growing. I'm going to drill a hole in a tree limb log and tap the mushroom plug down in there. I'm going to melt this, and this is going to seal it. And I got about 50 of them I have to do, the mushroom plugs. And a year from now, we should be eating our own mushrooms, and I won't have to buy them from the grocery store anymore.
Oh,
Yay!
yeah.
Like a damn ball.